Nestled within the Western Ghats, in the Attapadi Forest Reserve area, near Silent Valley National Park, stands Chindaki Post Office. This branch post office operates under the Manarkad subdivision, which is part of the Ottapalam Postal Division in Kerala, God's own country. This area is part of Silent Valley National Park. It is located in a rich biodiversity of Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. The dedicated branch postmaster Ms. Shilpa and the energetic assistant branch postmaster Mr. Ajit are the pillars of the Chindaki Post Office. Situated at an elevation of approximately 2,000 feet above sea level, the Chindaki Post Office serves as a crucial lifeline for the indigenous Mudugar, Irula and Kurumba tribal communities of the Attapadi region. During the peak monsoon season, the river often floods. Elephants and other wild animals are frequent sightings in the region. Every day, the postman endures numerous challenges as he navigates through forests and encounters wildlife. Mr. Ajit travels 10 kilometers by bike, followed by a 5-kilometer walk to deliver letters, parcels, money orders, as well as provide other postal services to the indigenous community. While delivering the services, Mr. Ajit ensures to educate people about various schemes in the post office like Suganya Samriddhi Yojana, Mahila Samman Savings Certificate,